A chubby neon cyan slime with big innocent eyes explores a dungeon. A gold coin falls. The slime slurps it up, glowing gold. LV2 appears with golden wings. The slime, now armoured, finds a rusted sword. It absorbs the sword, gaining an energy blade. LV25 goo-dian knight floats by. The armoured slime faces a grumpy stone golem. It bounces into the golem, shattering it into crystals. Curiously, the slime hugs and absorbs the crystals. It expands, encrusted with gems, gaining crystal wings. The slime transforms into a majestic, chubby dragon. It looks friendly and adorable.